So today's video has changed drastically. We should have been sitting on some ice right now. We went up to the Coquihalla this morning. 4x4 started clunking. Stopped at the rest stop, checked things out, decided not to go any further and risk anything. So what we're going to be filming today now is something we've been neglecting for a while, is the boat getting winterized properly. So yesterday we put some gas stabilizer in the fuel tank, and then we put in some engine fogging oil that we mixed with some gas to fog the motor. But today we are going to be building a rolling stand for this to take it off of the boat. Okay, the motor is on the stand. It went really well. Made a little hanger for the ears. Really nice and solid. Got a 4x4 material. Boat's all ready to roll here. Took out the battery. This is gonna get foam over the winter. This foam's all gonna get replaced. Hey everyone, we're back working on the boat. This is going to be now part 2. So we're going to be taking off all the foam off the seats and doing some other things, kind of get the boat ready for spring over the winter. So brought her in the garage, and this is kind of a cover I made, and I used some PVC, which I'll show once I get it uncovered here, to create a ridge along the whole center here to help get water from pooling and sitting on the tarp. It actually worked really well, but now the boat's gonna stay inside while we're doing some work. We got some brand new seats. These are Tempest from Bass Pro. They are top of the line for me, so I'm pretty excited to have a nice comfy seat. And yeah, we'll be mounting those and getting the boat ready for fly fishing this spring. Okay, this is the frame that I made. It's actually out of 1-inch PVC piping. We got a T there, and then this actually goes to a Scotty extension arm that actually utilizes the front anchor holder. And then I custom made these T fittings so they fit over that nicely. And then I was in a bit of a hurry when I first tarped the boat, and I wasn't expecting to put another ridge there like this one here, but as soon as I put the tarp on, I noticed that it wasn't exactly taut, so I did end up adding that temporarily. So we'll put another piece of PVC as another ridge there and permanently make that. Boat stayed nice and bone dry inside. There's kind of the ribs that support the floor, and yeah, we're going to be taking off all this old foam that's ripping up, and yeah, replacing it with some new foam. We're going to template it all, get it looking all good. So follow along as we fix this boat up. This is going to be a long road road ahead of us. I used the putty knife to scrape it, and then got this eraser wheel to get off the glue. Still is using a residue, so I'm gonna have to figure that out and get that all 100% cleaned up. I have a better tool at work that I'm gonna bring home, a multi-tool with a scraper blade on it, which should just basically do this, but battery powered, and should go a lot quicker. So I'm gonna try that next. All right, everyone, we're back at it. We got the multi-tool I was talking about and the scraper attachment, and this should work a lot better. Did a quick little pass here. As you can see, comes off a lot better, leaves a lot less residue. So this should be the ticket, and yeah, we're gonna get this all off now. Okay, so we got all the foam off the seats, and now these are the products that I'm going to use to remove this remaining glue residue. So I'm going to use Goof Off. I'm letting it soak in right now on half of this bench here. Then afterwards, once the residue is off, I'm going to hit it with some Spray 9 to kind of get everything off, and then I'm going to probably clean it once more before I apply the new foam. But also I do need to template everything before that, so I'll show kind of everything once we're done here, getting all the residue off. Okay, we're on the last bench here. I've been using this Goof Off, like I said, and poked a hole in the top here, and I've just been kind of soaking an area, letting it sit, and then been taking either a putty knife or a glass scraper and scraping the residue off. It works pretty good. You got to go over it a couple times though, but as you can see, that's all the residue. Yeah, this is what I found is best so far. Yeah, putty knife. A little time consuming, but working out good, and we're almost ready to start templating the seats.